This video is going to show you the limestone cycle, where you can take limestone, which is calcium carbonate, turn it into calcium oxide, into lime water, and then back to limestone. What you need to do is take a piece of limestone and heat it strongly on the roaring flame for 10 minutes. What this is doing is taking calcium carbonate, CaCO3, and breaking it down with heat, which is thermal decomposition, into calcium oxide. After 10 minutes, turn your Bunsen burner off and leave your calcium oxide to cool. Once it is cooled, pick it up and put it into a crucible. The next thing you need to do is get yourself some water in a pipette and put a few drops on, and then notice your observations. And you should be able to see there steam coming off. And then you'll notice the rock itself starting to dissolve, to crumble. So you'll see the observations, if this question came up, is the calcium oxide, when you add water to it, crumbles, starts to dissolve and goes a milky colour. The next task is to take a little bit of your calcium oxide and put it into a test tube and then fill it up halfway with water. Just like that. Allow the calcium oxide to dissolve fully into the water, and this will produce calcium hydroxide. So by taking calcium oxide, adding water to it, where you saw steam, it breaking up, it going milky and dissolving, you form calcium hydroxide. Another name for calcium hydroxide is lime water. To get some pure lime water, you then need to take your calcium hydroxide and get rid of the remaining bits of the calcium oxide in the bottom which haven't dissolved yet. To do this, filter it. Filter through your lime water so you don't have any of the impurities left, and this should come through at the bottom as pure lime water. Once it's done, to test and prove that it's lime water, you get a straw and you blow through it to add carbon dioxide to it. And as you can see, the lime water has gone cloudy. So the final piece to the puzzle, you've taken your calcium hydroxide, you've added carbon dioxide to it, and it's gone back to your calcium carbonate, your limestone. So there is your complete limestone cycle.